Hello children, good morning to all. Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya. This is Gandhi Mari here from Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya. I want to share few words about how to be successful. To be successful, you have to use each day as an opportunity to improve, to be better, to get a little bit closer to your goals. It might sound like a lot of work and with a busy schedule next to impossible. But the best part is the more you accomplish, the more you will want to do, the higher you will want to reach. So, as long as you have the hunger for success, you will always have the power within you to achieve it. Here, I have given one puzzle to solve. Take a time. Try to solve the puzzle. By solving this, you will get mental alertness, refreshment, concentration, and you can focus in your classes. I hope you all will try to solve the word puzzle. Today, I am going to teach you about international number system. Before we begin that, we should have a small recapitulation about the previous class, what we have discussed earlier. We have discussed comparison of numbers, ascending and descending order, and rounding of numbers. What is rounding off? Any guess? Making a number simple but keep its value close to what it was. I will tell you one example. Imagine a big celebration at your home. The first thing you do is to find out roughly how many guests may visit you. Can you get idea of the exact number of visitor? It is practically impossible. Roughly you will say maybe 500 persons can come. Maybe 1000 persons will come. So the approximate calculation, nothing but rounding of the numbers. It is less accurate but easy to represent and using any calculations. Rounding off, we have nearest to 10, nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000. Rounding to the nearest 10. If I have number from 1 to 4, round it down to 0 because it is near to 0 than 10. If I have number from 6 to 9, I have to round it up to 10 because it is near to 10. If I have 5, it is equidistant from 0 and 10. So I have to make it up to 10. So according to that number, we have to round to the nearest 10. Below 5, you can bring it to or round it down to 0. Above 5, you can round it up to 10. Rounding to the nearest 100. Numbers ending in zeros, tens, 20s, 30s and 40s get rounded down. That means make it previous 100. Numbers ending in 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s get rounded up. That means make it next 100. For example, 237. 37, the last two digits, it is below 50. So we have to make it previous 100. It is 200. 874. 74 is above 50. It means we have to make it as next 100. That is 900. 350. 50 is equidistant between 0 and 100. So we have to round it up to next 100. That is 400. So number ending zeros, tens up to 40s rounded down to 0. Rounding nearest 1000. Numbers ending in zeros, hundreds, 200s, 300s and 400s get rounded down to 0. That means make it previous 1000. Numbers ending in 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s and 900s get rounded up. It means make it as next 1000. For example, if I have 2837, 837 is nearest to 1000. So I have to make it as next 1000, like 3000. 5376. 376 is nearer to 0. So I have to make it as previous 1000. That is 5000. 7500. 500 is equidistance between 0 and 100. So I have to make it as 8000. That is next 1000. So if I have a number below 500, I have to make it as previous 1000. If I have 500 and above, make it as next 1000. Next, I am going to tell you about Indian number system. In Indian number system, I have 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These periods will be separated with the help of commas. Again, the ones period I am going to subdivide it into 3 groups: ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands will be subdivided into 2 groups: thousands, 10,000. Lakhs subdivided into 2 groups again: lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores subdivided into 2 groups: crores, 10 crores. Ones represents 1 digits, tens represents 2 digits, hundreds represents 3 digits, thousands represents 4 digits, 10,000 represents 5 digits, lakhs represents 6, 10 lakhs represents 7, crores represents 8 digits, 10 crores represents 9 digits. So 9 digits here starts from 10 crore. So Indian number system, how many periods are there? 4 periods. What are all they? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. How you will separate the periods? With the help of commas. In Indian number system, first 3 digits after we have to use the first comma. Then after every 2 digits we have to use the commas. Here I have one example. I'm going to place the values in the place value chart. So 9-digit number, it is placed in the place value chart. 2 it's in 10 crore place, 3 is in crore, 5 is in 10 lakhs, 3 is in lakhs, 6 10,000 place, 4 thousands place, 7 hundreds place, 5 tens place and 1 ones place. So how many crores are there? 23 crores. How many lakhs are there? 53 lakhs. Thousands? 64,000. Ones period? 751. So I have to write with the help of comma. So every period I have to separate with the comma. So according to that, first comma after 3 digits. Second comma after thousands period. Third comma after lakhs period. So I have to read it: 23 crores, 53 lakhs, 64,751. So can you read it? 23 crores, 53 lakhs, 64,751. So it is separated into 4 periods. Next, international number system. Here I am going to teach you international number system. In international number system, the periods will be divided into 3 periods. What are all they? Ones periods, thousands periods, millions periods. These periods will be separated with the help of commas. Every after 3 digits, I have to divide the periods with the help of commas. The ones period will be divided into 3 subgroups. Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period will be divided into 3 groups. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions period divided into 3 groups. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Ones represents 1 digit, tens represents 2 digits, hundreds represents 3 digits, thousands represents 4 digits, 10,000 represents 5 digits, 100,000 represents 6 digits, millions represents 7 digits, 10 millions represents 8 digits, 100 millions represents 9 digits. So here the 100 millions start with 9 digits and periods will be separated into 3 periods. Every after 3 digits I have to use the commas. With the help of commas we could write the standard form. With the help of periods we could write the number name. So international number system divided into 3 periods. What are all they? Ones periods, thousands period, millions periods. Here I have an example how to read and how to write the number names in international number system. I have 7-digit number here. I have placed in the place value chart. So first digits in the 7th place. That is millions place 1 and 3 in 100,000s place. 4 is in 10,000s place. 7 is thousands place. 8 is hundreds place. 2 is tens place. 1 is ones place. So now I am going to read the number name. 1 millions. How many millions are there? 1 millions. How many thousands are there? 347 thousands. Thousand period. 347,000. Ones period, how many hundreds are there? 821. So how we should write? 1,347,821. I have to write with the help of comma in standard form. Standard form always we have to use the comma in the numerals. Number name with the help of periods we could write it. So 1,347,821. Next, I am going to represent the given value in standard form. So we know how to write the standard form with the help of commas. So the periods will be separated with the help of commas. So ones period after first comma, second period second comma, third after third comma. So like that here I have millions place 8 millions, thousands place 400,000, ones 307. So every one period after we have to use the comma. So 8 millions 400,000 307. Always the standard form will be represented with the commas. It is in numeral. So the next example, 7-digit number. We know the 7-digit number starts from the million in international form. So 3 is in millions place. So 3 million, 1000 place we don't have the value but we have to add it. So 3 millions 843. 843 is in ones place. So 3 periods we have here. Ones period, thousands period, millions periods. Millions periods, what number is there? 3. Thousands place, no value. Ones place we have 843. So we have to read 3,843,000. Next, the comparison between Indian number system and international number system. Now I am going to compare. Indian number system, 4 periods are there. In international number system, how many periods are there? 3 period. In Indian number system, what all the periods are there? ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crore period. In international number system, we have ones period, thousands period, million period. Indian number system, first period will be separated after 3 digits from the right, and second period after 2 digits, third period after lakh, fourth period after crore. But in international number system, every after 3 digits we have a one period, like ones after, thousands after, and millions. Then here ones period we have ones, 100,000. Similarly in international also, in thousands period that is the different. Up to 10,000 it is same. From 100,000 only there will be a different. In thousands place in Indian number system we have 1,000, 10,000, but international we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In Indian number system we have lakh period, lakh, 10 lakh, but we don't have lakh in international number system. Instead of that we have million, million, 10 million, 100 million. In Indian number system we have crore period, like crore, 10 crore. This is only for comparison up to 9 digits. See here, I have 9 digit number that is going to represent in Indian place value chart. 9th digits represented in crore place. Then 9 is in 10 lakhs place, 7 lakhs place, 8 10,000 place, 4 thousands place, 0 100 place, 1 tens place, 2 ones place. So now tell me how many crores are there? 4 crores. How many lakhs are there? 97 lakhs. How many thousands are there? 84,000. How many hundreds are there? No 100 but 12 ones. So 4 crore, 97 lakhs, 84,000, 12. I have to read 4 crore, 97 lakh, 84,000 and 12. When you write it in the expanded form, you have to expand the values. 4 into 1 crore plus 9 into 10 lakh plus 7 into lakh plus 8 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Next, the same value I am going to represent in international place value chart. There we place the 4 values in crore place. But here it represented in 10 million. So 4 represented in 10 million, 9 represented in million, 7 represented 100,000, 8 represented 10,000, 4 represented in thousands place, 0 hundreds, 1 tens and 2 ones. How to read the numbers here? How many millions are there? 49 millions. How many thousands are there? 784,000. And how many ones period? 12. So 49 million 784,012. So 49 million 784,012. So I have to read it 49 million 784,012. So you could write it in the expanded form also. 4 into 10 million plus 9 into million plus 7 into 100,000 plus 8 into 10,000. Like that we could write the expanded form. Here I have given the assignment questions. Write the expanded form, Indian and international number system. So you have to write the values. You have to expand the number, both Indian and international number system. With that, today we will wind up the session. Before winding up the session, we have small recapitulation. Can you tell me what we have discussed today? We have discussed about Indian number system, international number system, and comparison between Indian and international number system. In Indian number system, how many periods are there? Yes, 4 periods. International number system, 3 periods. So in Indian number system, ninth digit starts from crore. In international system, ninth digit starts from 100 millions. And we have discussed about the comparisons also. We solved how to expand the numbers, how to write the number name, and how to write the standard form also. With that, today I will wind up my session. I hope you all understand the session. I've given the assignment questions. Try to solve. Learn today class. Be safe. Stay at home. Thank you.